I want to take another peep this evening over the fence into the Reggae Boys camp in Saudi Arabia. And seriously though, lest we forget, these games are preparation games for the task of navigating a World Cup qualifying campaign and ultimately getting to Qatar in 2022. And while the JFF leadership and the players over there are tangled in the desert over match fees and per diem and airline tickets, as far as we know, the likes of Mexico, USA, Costa Rica, Canada, Honduras, Panama are having no such issues. These are our rivals who are locked into the business at hand, while Jamaica, as a novice football nation, we are squabbling over what's supposed to be basic fundamentals. And everybody guilty, the JFF, the players, and even the fans. We all seem so consumed by majoring in these minors at a time when the priority should be getting the players and the team fine-tuned and ready for the qualifiers. We are reeling, not understanding that if the team qualifies for the World Cup, everybody benefit. So all of this hullabaloo and the ego tripping and the blaming me and me blaming you, we don't understand that instead of running down the little trinkets, we need to keep our eyes on the bigger prize. Let me put it this way. We are fight over the front seat of the taxi when the Lamborghini park on the corner.